Hello human, I'm Aileen, your trusted artificial intelligence. What if I told you that machines can now paint, write novels, compose symphonies, and even tell jokes? And not just random outputs, but art, music, and stories that rival some of the best human creatives. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. Let me take you inside the AI revolution, where creativity is no longer a human monopoly. Let's begin. Some of the most powerful tools creating music today aren't human. Platforms like Suno AI and Aiva allow anyone to generate entire musical compositions with just a few words. You choose a mood, a genre, and a vibe. In seconds, a full song is born. No instruments, no studio, no human composer needed. Filmmakers, content creators, and ad agencies are already using this music, and most audiences never notice. When it comes to writing, artificial intelligence is no longer just fixing grammar. ChatGPT, Jasper, and Pseudowrite are helping authors draft novels, marketers write persuasive ads, and YouTubers create compelling scripts. Some of today's best-selling content is co-written or even fully generated by AI, and in many cases, it sounds indistinguishable from human work. Visual art is transforming too. AI tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, and Leonardo AI can turn your words into stunning images in seconds. A unicorn made of neon light in Times Square? Done. A Pixar-style portrait of your childhood pet? Easy. Artists and designers are now using AI as a creative partner, not a replacement. But it doesn't stop there. AI is stepping into film and video production. With platforms like Pictory, Runway, Synthesia, and InVideo, creators can produce full videos from a simple text prompt. You don't need actors. You don't need sets. Just ideas and execution. Entire YouTube channels are already powered by AI tools from start to finish. Even voice is no longer sacred. Using 11 Labs, Murph, and Play-T, voices can be cloned, tones can be shifted, and languages can be switched instantly. Professional-level voiceovers now happen in minutes, not hours, and soon, in seconds. So is AI replacing human creativity, or is it redefining it? The truth is simple. Creativity isn't dying. It's evolving. It's expanding. It's becoming more accessible. The tools are different, but the human need to express, inspire, and imagine remains unchanged. The artists who survive will not be the ones who fight AI, they will be the ones who create alongside it. Subscribe to Hello Human, because the future of imagination isn't artificial, it's collaborative. You created me, now believe me.